Okay, so day 2 of the DriftPro. We are just about to go out and do the Driftkhana again. Yesterday I wasn't that great, so today we're gonna have another go. Try not to hit a barrel or 2, but at least they're pretty light barrels, so they move. So yeah, this is like a timed drifting gymkhana-esque thing. Nobody knows where they're going still, and it's wet today, so I think this could be carnage now.
Puts him to 65 seconds and puts him at 7th fastest overall. Here comes Ollie Evans then in his S15 Silver, no, so an S14 Silver and S15 front end. Now looking fast so far. Can he keep the momentum going as the back swings down the hill here? Yeah, not too bad. Now just trying to find the right amount of throttle to apply to get the momentum going up the hill. Nice and close to the wall. That's looking like a tidy run so far. I don't see any penalties so far. I wonder, no, that's about correct, I think, yeah. So can he nail this left-hander on the wall? Yes, he can. Can he nail the right one against the wall? Yes, he can again. Now, the figure of 8. This is looking like it could, oh no, a little bit of a momentum loss there for as coming around and through the middle. If you pretty much stop drifting, it's going to cost you a bunch of time, and through the gates he goes. 55.26, that was fast.
So Richards was 57 plus 2 time penalties. I was 55.
Yeah.
So I had the fastest time out of everyone, but they gave me 7 penalties. So I had a 5-second for the par, the change gear, and then a 2-second for missing the clipping thing. So I'd have actually won with a 2-second penalty if I'd have got the gear.
If you had part, you won it.
So I'd have won it. Yeah.
Sound, mate.
So that's alright, first try, isn't it? So we finished 4th in Driftkhana, which is pretty good considering I've never done it before. I got 1 penalty because a lock shifter thing, I have to like lift it up to come back into 2nd. And on the in-car you'll see me like flapping it, and I just completely missed the gear, so cost me 5 seconds. If I hadn't had that 5-second penalty, I'd have won it. So that's kind of my own fault, maybe, is it? Blame the lock shifter. But yeah, we talked about taking it out, but we didn't. So finished 4th. Now we're just putting tyres on ready for qualifying. So we're going to do the qualifying session in about sort of half an hour, which will be in about 10 seconds on this. But yeah, so we're ready to go and we'll see where we qualify. Hopefully qualify decent and then don't be tomorrow or today like yesterday. It's confusing. Come on lads, come on car.
So right now, Max Cotton still leading the way. The number 24 car, the pink machine that you saw earlier, the young 16-year-old. Now the next car up, we have Ollie Evans. He's looking fast through this section now, carrying plenty of speed up the hill. Can he stay? Oh, the angle's shallow, but now he puts the angle on to get onto the right line. Power on and exit the final section. It's fairly accurate, it was very good speed up the hill. A few little corrections necessary. Ollie Evans, 65.33 to beat in this silver S15. As it stands right now, he looks safe to make it into the top 16. How high up can he climb with this run? Drags the handbrake just a little bit there on the entry, trying to keep the speed up the hill. This is the hard bit here. Can they keep the momentum going? A little bit of an adjustment. You can see dragging the front brake there as he keeps the power on, using his left foot to brake with. And then power on the exit. Ollie Evans.
Sound. So we finished qualifying in 9th. Just kind of middle of the pack, wasn't that great, and between the 2 runs it sort of rained and it was patchy, and I just thought rather than sending it off track, which is what I'd normally do, I took my time a little bit. So first battle is against Biz, and then hopefully we're going to meet Ollie, the 2 Ollies again. We can have another battle at some point maybe. So yeah. So yeah, we've got Biz first, so car's ready to go now for top 16 battles, and then hopefully get a bit further and cut that bit out when I do shit.
Sugar.
Do you want me to feature in your video?
Yeah.
Hi, my name's Dan. I've been a drift fan for 2 years now, and I very much like drift machines. I like the smoke and the action that comes with them. It's great. This is professional drift series that we're at. We're at DriftPro today. Like and subscribe.
Oh, dope.
Finger blast the like button.
Very good.
Bit slow. Where's the bin?
Right, come on, Ollie.
Next run is going to be Ian Phillips versus Ollie Evans. Ian Phillips in the 350Z, the 8th qualifier, versus Ollie Evans on 9th qualifier. So coming down the hill now and into the first turn. Ollie Evans is trying to find his way on the inside there, having it close, but now trying to close in. Got the angle on Ian Phillips and now closing the distance. Can he stay on it? And the power is on. So now up we have Ian Evans versus Phillip. Ollie Evans leading the way. Ian Phillips in the 350Z. Evans opening up that gap. Phillips having to climb the curb just to try and stay with him. Losing the angle now and forcing his way to keep that drift going so he doesn't completely straighten up. Ollie Evans just running away with this. Phillips a little bit shaky. I would be very surprised if the judges go any other way.
Yeah, so just finished our battle with Biz. We come away with the win. It was a good battle, to be fair. We both sent it into that first corner really fast. So next battle now is Louis, and this is like top 8, and then it kind of gets a bit quicker then from then on. So I don't think we'll be coming back in after this. So this is kind of the last session, and then just see how far we get on. I know Louis is quick and he drives a really good line, so yeah, just go really fast, don't crash. Right, come on lad.
So here we go, car number 128 and 55. Edwards versus Evans, here we go! Charging down the hill, and they'll make their way around Graham Hill Bend and then accelerate away. Edwards in the BMW in the lead. Evans behind as they now get ready to turn into turn 1. Evans looking nice and close and tight. Edwards holding the line. Evans trying to find the way inside there, right on the side of Edwards. Ollie Evans getting in there, just losing a little bit of momentum towards the end as he had to slow the car down not to make excessive amounts of contact. Sorry, I saw it being the wrong start guy. And away we go then. Evans leading down the hill. Edwards following. Oliver Evans. Louis needs something special here to turn this battle around. Evans definitely had the advantage. Can he get close enough? Evans looking tidy so far. And Edwards charging now. Can he do it up this hill? Keeping the shallow angle and trying to get close. Not quite as close, I don't think. Closes in towards the end. And chases in. It was a good run from Edwards, but I'm not sure it's enough. All right, cars being released to the start line. Ollie Evans will lead this first one. Paul Cunningham has shown great skill from the rear position. Can he do it once again? Here we go then, semi-final number 1, run number 1. Ollie Evans versus Paul Cunnington, coming down the hill, ready to turn into turn 1. A little swing from Evans, and now trying to carry the speed as he goes up the hill. Can Cunnington stay with him? This is where Cunningham was fast. A little bounce off the curb as it lost in the momentum. Doesn't have the angle and isn't closing enough significant distance. Evans looking very fast through that section. I think that's going to be advantage Ollie Evans. Used every bit of track width and no more of it. No grass touching, but right on the white line. Superb precision from the Driftworks R32 there of Martin Richards. Our second run for our first semi-final then. Cunnington from Evans. Cunnington turns in. Evans tries to stay with him. He's nice and close as he dives in. He's going to have to give him a little space so they transition, and he does it. Closing in there, now making all the adjustments, making an absolute mockery out of Paul Cunnington is Ollie Evans. That is how we do it. That is how we do it. A second, we'll take the final, first run for the final first. Martin Richards versus Ollie Evans then. Martin Richards will lead this first run in the DriftPro Skyline. And then Ollie Evans in the Silvia to follow the Washloo S15. Here we go, turning in. Oh, the angle from Martin Richards. Ollie Evans staying with him. Oh, just having to just back it off and correct it, just take the angle off a little bit. Martin Richards definitely has the angle throughout. Ollie Evans had the speed because he didn't have as much angle. It was a little bit too straight, wasn't it? Yeah. Martin Richards, I think, is going to take the advantage in round one. But overall, your third place goes to Paul Cunnington then in the blue machine. Here we go then, the second run in the final. What can Martin Richards do from the blue position? He already has the advantage into the final. We're carrying plenty of angle, a little bit of space here, but this is where Martin Richards is fast, coming up the hill, closing in, the bumper coming off for Ollie Evans' machine. Is it going to drag him back and slow him down? He's going right to the outside. Martin Richards stays with him throughout. Come on.
I sent in and like, did you see the front wheels? I was four wheels drifting, mate. I went in and I was like, f***ing sent like that. I had no grip. I lost the front, had no steering.
On the top?
No. Yeah. Went in, you'll hear it on the GoPro, mate. The front wheels were going.
Oh yeah?
I was four-wheel washing and I just kept my foot in. I was thinking, just please grip, because I was going on the grass.
Yeah?
That was the fastest I went in, I think.
It's on the limit that then.
Yeah. That was good. It was good with Richards, but Richards gave me a bit of a shit lead as well.
Yeah.
Sorry, Richards. No, I'll change that. Me and Richards, we both give each other shit leads. So the final that was supposed to be didn't really happen, but yeah. My shit lead was more shit than yours.
Yeah. So I've just been sent the live stream and they've carried on filming me after I'd finished, and the bumper came off sort of halfway around. Just I don't even know why it came off, but dropped down, and then after I finished I tried to like reverse and snatch it off, and I didn't think that anybody would see that. I thought, you know, it'd just be missed, but it wasn't. It's on there. For fuck's sake.
First of all, third place, Paul Cunnington! Running off in second place, Ollie Evans! For your first ever winner of the Motorsport UK DriftPro Championship, Ollie Richards!
Okay, so just finished up now. We got second, which if you'd have asked me this morning, we'd never have got a second, would we? I thought we were going home, pretty handy, especially when I was having a nap on the chair thinking, oh god. So yeah, finished second. Final against Richards was just chaos, and yeah, enjoyed this weekend so much. We got fourth in Driftkhana as well, so yeah, all in all, good weekend. Let's get some beers and let's drive 6 hours home. Oh no!
Today, like and subscribe.
Oh, dope.
Finger blast the like button.